I'm John with Caddy Daddy. One of my most favorite things in the world is ice cream. So now we're gonna go on a 59 Cadillac ice cream adventure. Follow me. I wanna show you these absolutely great ice cream cones. These are brand new manufactured that Caddy Daddy's offering for your car. We have them in sets of 4. My question is, what do I wanna do? Do I want to paint it the same body color? Because a lot of the 59 Eldorados and 59s I've seen do have them the same color. Or the other option is, and I know probably where the vote's gonna go, do I want to go chrome all the way? Because these things are really badass. I mean, how can you not want to have more chrome on your 59 Cadillac Eldorado Baritts? So that's what they look like, and we've got them on the website now, and we've got them in stock, and we appreciate you looking at the video, and we're going to start rock and roll on this 59 Cadillac Eldorado Baritts, and we hope to have it running and driving by the end of the year. Thanks for watching.